This is Cameron Chai from ASOM.com, and I'm speaking to Peter Bozer from Micromeritics, and he's going to walk us through their new Particle Insight Particle Shape Analyzer.
Okay, thanks Cameron. Well, here we have the Micromeritics Particle Shape Analyzer. It's a dynamic image analyzer. A couple very unique features. It's a recirculating system, so we make sure we get a good population, representative of your population. And as you can see, it actually does flow through image analysis. A couple nice things about it. As you can see here in the sample, there is a couple different types of shapes. We have some shapes that are spheres and some that are obviously not spheres. This instrument has up to 28 different shape parameters, and one of the nice things about it, you can go in and let's just reopen this file that had 15,000 particles. You can go in and basically sort on any of the particles you want to see and show them all with thumbnails. So you can actually go through and do some research, look at your particles in a nice grayscale view. You can look at all the different equivalent circular diameters. You can look at any one of the 28 different shapes you want to look at, and you can sort it any which way you want. So let's say, for example, we only wanted to see the particles that were round. We can go in and say, just show me the particles that have a circularity pretty close to about 1, being a perfect sphere. And I'll actually get out of the 15 particles, I will sort out only the ones that are spherical. Going the other way, you can actually just say, well, I'm not interested in seeing anything that's a sphere. Just show me the things that are the other way. Show me the things that are not spherical. So I can just say, well, I will then look at every particle that goes from 0 to 0.7, 1 being a perfect sphere. And you'll start seeing things that are definitely not spherical. So overall, very powerful. It's all on the fly. It does it on as it's being analyzed. So no need to wait after the analysis to actually process your data. It'll do it all live. You have all the statistical measures you would normally see in any kind of a quality control instrument. Automatically downloads to Excel, and a number of different reports you can run. You can also do correlation plots. If you actually want to correlate one statistic to another, you can actually create automatic correlation plots. So some customers are interested in looking at how one parameter of shape compares to another one, and coming up with a correlation coefficient is very useful. So Cameron, that's about it. It's a new Particle Insight dynamic image analyzer from Micromeritics.
Right, and who typically uses these sorts of instruments?
Typically used in industry, all types of industry that make raw materials, pharmaceuticals, paint companies, people who make adhesives, lighting, paint, you name it. Just so anybody has to have quality control of raw materials before it goes into the final product. Particle size has always been important. It's been around for about 50 years, but actually over the past 5 years, a lot of people are realizing that it's a lot more important not only to know the size of the particles, but the shape has a tremendous impact as well. This will give you size, but it will also give you shape with 28 different shape measures.
All right, Peter, thanks very much for your tour through the Particle Insight instrument.
Thank you very much.